you are creating landscape designs using CAD software, you'll want some sort of title block, and on that title block, you'll require a logo. And rather than just use an image file of your logo, we think it's an excellent idea to create a CAD version. And I'm in the process just of working through that now. A good idea is to put an image onto the screen in GCAD+, and that's done with format and images, and you can see I've got one here, and I've popped it, and I've put it on its own layer that I've called our image. And what I can now do is turn off that layer, and the image, of course, will disappear. And now I can work on the logo, making a CAD version of that logo. But I want to illustrate how it is easy when you're starting out with GCAD+ to not watch closely in the properties box your current settings. And we'll clearly need to set up a couple of zones bisected, if you like, a rectangle that's twisted. And in fact, what I'll do is select the outer green one here, and you can see that I've set a corner radius. It's just one entity, a rectangle with a corner radius, but I'm going to need other colours in this zone. And I want to illustrate that here I've been able to join those individual shapes together, whereas if I click over here, can you see I'm in the process. I'd like to make a triangular piece that I can colour in that area. But over here in the properties box, I've got a little one. So I can use Shift for selection. So I want to join entities as I have here to make a single polyline. But if I click this one and I now want to zoom in and add that one, can you see I lose it? I have to hold the Shift key down. I find it easier to come over here and click on the one and leave that just as a plus sign, but you'll get used to working the way you want to work. So you can see here I can use a crossing window to pick all of those and come in here and just pick off that last one, and I'll just add a couple of lines and then join all of them. But it's a plea to keep your eye on the current settings I'm drawing at the moment. Let me just say we're going to join them. So now both sides are the same. Of course, could have saved myself some time by simply mirroring using the mirror command and mirror that one along the axis. But the point that I want to make is that at the moment I'm drawing on layer 0. I'm setting colour by whatever the colour of that layer is, although I earlier set my colour red, and I'm also drawing a line weight by layer. So if I want to make a thick line, I can use this tool. So it's just a plea to keep everything. You need to look all over the screen and be aware of your current settings. Along the right is the original image file, which will get blurry as we zoom in, but on the left now is the CAD version of the very same thing, which will be nice and crisp when it prints.